Create a Google Doc of your graphic organizer. Then go to your Google Classroom, click Classwork, create your assignment. The specific one was about diseases. Go add Google Drive file. Then you're going to select your graphic organizer. Click Insert. And if you scroll down, it says Students can view file. Click Make a copy for each student. And then you're going to click Assign. Once you've done this, you can click on the assignment. If you click View Assignment, you can see and click through everyone's work as they're working on it. So you can see who's getting their work done, who's stuck, who needs help, and go from there.